There's a better one. Let's see what this guy looks like. Got one hand to work with here. Yeah, he's a good one. I'm not gonna keep any today, but yeah, pretty. Right out of there. There's Steve down there.
I was going to say, you should take a picture and send it to Tyler. He knows what we're doing.
The vicious German Shepherd. Seems to like the bath.
Once they realize they're about to feel a whole lot better, they generally get better. Not the bath.
Here's my station. I run the counter. It's in front of the shop. There's our grooming table. I think I'm going to put a motorcycle lift right there, and I'm going to work on motorcycles right there. Got the gate. She's back here with a vicious dog. Here's the jail. It's the Pokey. The dog Pokey. He's actually a nice dog. Just a little heavy. We're in downtown Sonora. Gold Mine Pet Spa. Hello, I have a dirty dog. I hear they're done here. That's what your sign says. All these things she's got for sale while people wait. Some knickknacks. I'll take a Coors Light, please. It's our bar. That's Mortimer, and I don't know, I can't remember the name she calls that one. It's pretty big. A lot of space. This is the washroom back here. Where she stores other weight. What's his name?
Zuko?
Zuko?
Yeah.
Zuko.
Like Danny Zuko from Greece,
Oh, like
but
Danny
not
Zuko.
after Danny Zuko from Greece.
This is my new job. I just greet customers when they come, ask if they want a beer. And I lift heavy dogs. I'm the bouncer, I'm the dog lifter, I'm the bartender. It's my dream job. Well, we're moto fishing. There's Steve over there on this side. They all can't be big. It's a little one. Pretty though. I'll let him go. We're up here at Fraser. I see Steve right there. See if he can get something down there. Moto fishing. There's a better one. Let's see what this guy looks like. Got one hand to work with here. Yeah, he's a good one. I'm not going to keep any today, but yeah, pretty. Right out of there. There's Steve down there. See if he's going to catch any. They're in here. Just gotta know where to get them. They're gonna be in the shade, so when you're using these lures, you gotta cast like all the way to the other side, and I caught him right in front of that rock. He come right out from underneath that rock. Just because you look in here and you don't see any, I'm fishing actually behind Steve. But you gotta get him out from those rocks. What do you think, Steve?
Not too bad.
There's fish in here.
Oh, good.
There's right over there in that shade. I didn't even mean to catch him. Steve just lost his lure over there and I cast it over there. I was like, damn it, I didn't want to catch your fish. It's his turn. Get off there. It's like he's shaking loose. I gotta take him off. Anyway, there's fish in here. Steve got one. You got a monster. We're just letting him go. Good, he got one. I started getting tired, so I just kicked back. I think I caught 4. I was like, man, I keep catching all the fish. I wanted him to catch fish. It's the only reason I came here. So I just stopped. Yeah, he got one finally. We might go farther up. Might ride, go to another spot. Water's a little low down here, so it's kind of not real easy fishing. You got to get them out of the shadows. Oh, this is one of my spots I come to. It's one of my camp spots. The better camp spot's actually down by the river. You can just leave your bike like where Steve's bike is. Or you can camp right here. I mean, there's a fire ring right here, but there's another one down below. This is the South Fork of the Stanislaus River. It's the area they call Fraser. There's a bridge just up the road from us. We'll go up there. But we're just above Long Barn. You look on the map on 108. Anyway, it's a good spot. You can catch fish down here. Steve caught one. He went swimming too. I wasn't expecting him to go swimming. He went all the way in. I had shorts, but he didn't bring shorts, so I just stayed in my pants.
I want to get my lure back.
He didn't want to lose the lure. He already lost one. He's like, I'm not losing two. Oh, that fishing maybe wants some raw fish. Up here. Miso soup. I already ate half of them. That's good. It's easier to just do this instead of cleaning them and cooking them myself. I don't want them cooked, I just want them raw.